Hi, I'm Jeff from CableOrganizer, and I'm here to tell you about our color-coded Simply45 Keystone jacks. First, it's designed with high bandwidth Cat6 and Cat6a networks. This jack has a 180-degree design which fits most patch panels and wall plates. Its termination caps has color-coded guides so you know where each wire goes. It has 6 interchangeable color bars that click into place for easy color coding. First thing you do is slide the termination cap down your cable. Then after flattening and fanning out each wire, place them in the color-coded slots on the termination cap, where you'll evenly trim each end. Next, attach the termination cap to the keystone. You match the arrows and colors on the cartridge to the ones on the cap. Then close and lock the jack's hinge clasps. Use your thumbs to push on the cap and make sure it's secure in the keystone. Now it's time to plug the keystone jack into a patch panel or wall plate. And finally, snap in the appropriate bar to color code the jack. Be sure to check out our Simply45 color-coded Keystone jacks and all of our other amazing products at CableOrganizer.com.
Cable Organizer, your life organized.